I'm Everin Gupchen, and I go to Gahanna Lincoln High School, and I'm a junior. I'm going to be a junior there next year. For the Summer Institute this year, I got to work on the comet hunting project. We had to essentially write a code that would take the satellite images, the SOHO satellite orbiting the sun. We had to take the images from that, and with our code, we had to process those images and find comets in them. Here at the Summer Institute, it was probably one of the best learning experiences I've ever had. I learned so much in such a short amount of time. I learned how to interact with other people from around the state and some of the highest level thinkers around the state. I learned some real-world problem-solving skills, the multiple programming languages that we had to learn at the beginning. I learned really how to interact with different people, different ways of thinking. So that was a really big part, that group collaboration that we had to do, working in groups of 4. It can be difficult sometimes, but you learn how to work together and you learn how to divide and conquer, those kinds of things. And ultimately, you see that working in a group can really help. That moment when you're working on your project, when you've been working for 5 hours straight, and finally you write that last line of code and it works flawlessly. You're just like, yes, finally I've done something, and that's the best feeling in the world. Well, I would probably start by saying my project in as technical a way as possible, just because it sounds so cool. Saying something like, I worked on image processing of the SOHO satellite images as the satellite orbited the sun to find comets. I mean, come on, that sounds pretty impressive if you ask me.